I don't know where the fuck this just came from. Hold on, let's see. You see the whole fucking timeline is this. All right, let's see. Who tweeted? Oh, Elon Musk tweeted it. I bet. I bet. Type shit. Bro, this is fucking stupid. All right, gang. We gotta find the winner, nigga, and then that's a bag. But once all the snipers get out, bro, it might be fair game, for real. I'm seeing snipers out. For the most part. I'm gonna throw in the thing. Oh, my shit failed. Wait for the next one to go through. This looks so farmy though, nigga. Y'all see what I'm saying? Keep that one up on this side. This is the one over here. I think I might have to just get something in there. But they can just kill that chart, bro. Fuck. See, this one's absolutely slowing down. 700 holders. The other one might be winning for sure. You know what I'm saying? But that's such a disgusting ass chart. Yeah, that one's definitely farmed the fuck out. So I'm gonna hold this bag, and I'm definitely gonna be holding this bag because we're gonna watch this fucking money rotate all day. Oh, whoa. I don't know. I feel like the market's smart enough to understand like a LARP versus, you know, something that actually could send. So I think this one might send. I mean, well, whatever. We're gonna see the rotation. Yeah, I got in for sure. I mean, I got in a while ago. Shit was down for a second there. Oh, let's go. Hey. Hey. All right, gang, it's a 2 bands, yeah. I feel bad for all them niggas that didn't go to the Discord after the YouTube. I'm just slowly scooping my pee off the table. And look, we're watching that rotation go right back to the other one. You see that? This shit started to dip really hard. This shit started to push up. Now this shit's starting to dip a little bit more. This shit's starting to push up. Easy rotation. Let me break down the little rotation shit that I was talking about. We saw this the other day. Fuck, what play? It was that the Binance dog. And I'm still gonna hold this play over here because I feel like the market knows that, you know, this one on the left is kind of legit, although there's no fucking picture. You know, that's the retarded aspect of it. There's no picture, but the quote unquote tokenomics are a little bit more solid. This one over here, holders going up crazy, but we still got sniper wallets in the top. No, it's looking a little better, but regardless, I just want to see how this acts. So I'm probably gonna end up taking a little bit more P. It keeps slowing down. Yeah, so the holders are actually going down as the chart is going up. Did I click that? I'll take another 25%. You know, just, you know, clip a little at the little by little. So boom, rotation wise, I guess the only point I was trying to make with that is when you have multiple coins drop at the same time, all with the same name, because, you know, Elon just tweeted, bro. So everybody's gonna drop their own fucking version of it. We're looking for and we're fighting to find the winner. You know, which one is the market gonna choose, right? So this one was pumping the hardest. Absolutely, we know that. I got into this one first. However, you saw it going down. While this was going down, this bitch was sending up, right? And it was kind of at the beginning over here, because once this started to dip down, that's when this shit took off. And my point about this rotation type thing is people are selling out of here and rotating into this coin because it's the same shit, you know? So that's kind of my idea in terms of that rotation effect. A newbie, somebody that doesn't really know what the fuck they're doing, I guess. I mean, even me, I was still looking at it like, damn, bro, that has 10 million volume in the last 5 minutes. Is that not stupid? Is that not like crazy dumb bullish? You know what I'm saying? However, the reason I didn't buy it and the reason I still don't want to is because it's just manufactured. Like, which chart looks a little bit more legit? You know what I'm saying? Which chart would you, quote unquote, believe in a little bit more type thing? For me, at least, it's this left one. That's why I faded the right one completely. And that's also why I held through this dip. You know, I put in 2 Solana, I was down like fucking what, 70% down there. It's just, in my head, I feel like the market would figure out, you know, the market would figure that shit out. And look at this again. Look, it's dipping on this side, and this one's starting to go up, right? Type shit. And look at this, bro. Look, when you choose right, you get rewarded, guys. Goddamn, nigga. And I'm only taking a little piece by piece off the top of these. Piece by piece off the tips. You know, right there, I'll take another little P. Damn. And I'm just taking, you know, 25 is a little, it might be a little high. Like I could have changed that 25% to maybe like 15 or so, or even 20. But this is how I get out of plays, out of descending ass plays. I don't know how high this is going to go, but I want to make sure I get as much, you know, as much profit as possible off the table. Type shit. There we go. Get my shit in there, boy. Better quit fucking with me. And see, now I'm going to hold this. That'll be my moon bag essentially. Because I feel like it can go higher, bruh. And what I love to see as well, actually, let's go to, I'm over here looking at my profit. So volume's cool, but we're at 2,000 holders now. Beautiful. Because those 2,000 holders, to me at least, is a lot more legit than the 4,000 over here. Because this entire shit is just like, for me at least, the entire shit on this side is just bullshit farm. I'm not fucking with it. I'm not looking at it. I'm looking at it to, you know, size up the rotation effect. But yeah, I'm gonna chill in this play. Because the volume is still solid. Holders are still going up. Yeah, it's on a vicious fucking dip, but we're cooling. We're cooling. I'm gonna keep my eye on this. I mean, if it just fades the fuck out, I'm just gonna sell it. It's only been out for 24 minutes, so I could see it, you know, getting a little bit more life, but we're not gonna bet on it. My only bet on it is gonna be my moon bag type shit. Almost smashed my monitor, missing that play. Holy fuck. Oh yeah. Nigga, I feel you, bruh. I feel you. I'm tight shit. It be like that. Whew. Another print, nigga. Hold on. I'm sorry, we gotta flex the print a little bit, I guess. The day, another play. So we ended with about 2,000 in profit, and we ran this one up in my Discord live, actually. I ended my YouTube live stream, and we all merged over to Discord, but only about half the people went. We had 70 people on the live call. So if you're not there, you need to get there ASAP, because I'm not always live on YouTube. I like to be live in the Discord because it's a little bit more intimate with my dogs. Pause, hard pause. Anyway, tap in. There's a ton of alpha from how I take profits, why I take the profits I do, the idea of rotation, and how you can guide yourself through all the chaos and traffic when Elon Musk tweets and there's 1,000 coins of the same exact thing, how to pick the winner and make bread. But appreciate you. Tap into the live streams because we got something big coming up soon.